Do I know how to do what?
Think central.
I don't. Think central.
Something on there.
I can come look, but I don't think I have any idea what that is. Think central?
Yes.
It's a different sign.
What? I don't know. Probably a lot better than me tomorrow.
Just go down, go
Silence in the middle of the video. We should all say our names or something.
Hi, my name's Evan.
I'm
Nick,
Melissa,
Grace,
Nick,
Grace,
Nick,
sucks.
shut up. Evan, you I'm the smart one. Sam.
Watching this video.
Oh my god. That would be hilarious. Peter's gonna
I'm just gonna go ahead and like.
Yeah.
Just confusing.
Math is not hard. Just says one.
Wait, what's the website?
JustConfusing.com. We should like write that on the board. JustConfusing.com. That's not a white one. No, I mean, Nick is doing the 8th grade stuff. You know why? What are you gonna do in 8th grade? I am going to do exactly right now. It is algebra. Algebra or geometry. Mostly algebra. Numbers, geometry.
If you're building, building something.
I'm not gonna become an architect. I don't have one.
My dad needs to know he's so smart now.
Okay, there's someone in our garage. There's some problem. I forget what it is. It's like 24 times 2.
They get to go automatic.
I don't know. It's something really
Chris
simple.
wrote
Man,
that.
like write it on the wall of our
Why?
garage. That is not right.
And all exactly should I get to words.
This is the only time that works.
Go up there to your space and says, Alvin, stop trying to sew it.
Okay, under similar there, please. The difference between similar and congruent is that similar shapes, they have the same shape, but not necessarily the same size. They could, I guess, but usually we don't think of it like that, because if they had the same shape and size, we would call them congruent. And that means this. If you've got this triangle, okay, it would be similar to, let's say, this triangle. Now, when you have similar shapes, here's the deal. In order for shapes to be similar, remember, congruent shapes had both the same size and the same shape. Or they had, the congruent triangles, we had the same side, length, and the same angles. Similar shapes have the same angles. Okay, in other words, angle A will be the same as angle D. Angle C is a right angle, as is angle F, and angle B is the same angle. But the side lengths are going to be different. Okay, and they are what we call proportional. And by proportional, it means this. If this side was 10 inches and this side was 5 inches, see how this triangle, this side is half of that side? You with me? 5 is half 10. That would mean that if this was 18, this side would have to be half of 18 as well. This triangle is half the size of that triangle. And it has to be that way for everything, except the angles. The angles stay the same, but the side lengths have to be whatever. Let's say this is 16, this side would have to be 8. So you couldn't put hash marks on the sides because they're not the same. But they can still have corresponding angles. Angle B will still correspond and is still equal to what angle? Angle E. Similar shapes have the same angles, but they don't have the same size shapes there. Look at page 233, please, with me.